Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, we are driving on Washington Boulevard towards Malines Road from Mandela Highway. Now, if you notice that straight ahead, the traffic on the road, if you notice the traffic, there's like a bottleneck straight ahead. That's because Washington Boulevard is 6 lanes, 3 in each direction. However, when you get to the bridge straight ahead, the traffic on our side merges into 2 lanes because the bridge can only accommodate 2 lanes. And that's what causes the bottleneck. Now, the government announced recently that, let's see what this motorbike is going to do. Unbelievable. The government announced recently that they are going to expand the bridge on this side to 3 lanes so that you don't have this bottleneck. Now, it's not that bad now because it's 11 o'clock in the day, but during the afternoon when you have heavy traffic on this road and in the morning, it really creates a problem. So there you can see the bridge is only 2 lanes. And ironically, the bridge on the other side, you notice how freely the traffic is moving going down. It's 3 lanes on the other side, so you can see the difference basically that the bridge will make. So the government announced recently that they are going to expand that bridge to 3 lanes in this direction. Alright, so this is Washington Boulevard. On the left you have a church, the Open Bible, Church of the Open Bible. And at the intersection we're coming up to now, if you turn left, you go into the Pembroke Hall area, and also on the left you have the Boulevard Supercenter, very popular mall in Jamaica. And on the right you have Dairy Industries, and that's where they make the tasty cheese. Now we're going to make a U-turn and head back down so you can see the bridge on this side. But if we were to go straight, we would head towards Malines Road and then Dunrobin Avenue and then Constant Spring Road. Alright, so let's take a look at the bridge on this side of the road. As you can see, this road is clear. This side at least. Okay, so this is a bridge and it's 3 lanes on this side. Okay, so this intersection now, you turn right, you head into the Patrick Gardens area. Go straight, you head towards, you stay on Washington Boulevard and head towards Mandela Highway. Okay, and that car just ran the red lights. It's unbelievable the level of indiscipline on the roads in Jamaica. Unbelievable. That motorbike just ran the red light. And you see that camera? Look above the stoplight. There's a camera. That camera is supposed to issue tickets to persons that run the red light by taking a picture of the license plate and then issuing the ticket to whoever the car is registered to. For some reason, that system is not up and running yet. The law was passed in the parliament, but I'm not sure why. But that system has not been put into effect yet. If anybody knows why, you can leave a comment in the section below, because I'm most curious as to why, because it happens every day where persons just run red lights, stop in the middle of the road, block the road to pick up passengers. It's getting really out of hand. Alright, so we are now heading towards the Dehaney Park intersection. And there's another example. That truck has just stopped in the road. Look on the right. That car has parked on the sidewalk. There was a time when you saw a yellow line, that meant no parking. I am beginning to wonder if it changed, where if the law doesn't mean, the yellow line doesn't mean no parking anymore. You know, like when you see a solid white line, you know not to overtake. And if the broken white line means you can overtake, it's the same way the yellow line used to mean you cannot park there. I'm not sure. I'm going to try and check it out. If anybody knows, you can leave a message in the comment section below. Alright, so we turn left here, we go into the Corville Gardens area, turn right, and we go into the Doheny Park area. Wow, no, that car is in the lane to go straight, but because they don't want to join the line in the turning lane, they go in the line to go straight and then just cut across. And that is illegal. If the traffic system was up and running, they would get a ticket for that. And then now they're going to stop in the road to let off passengers. Alright, and straight ahead on the right is the Doheny Park Police Station, and we are going into the Doheny Park Plaza now. Now, this plaza was recently renovated. It's a very nice plaza. You have to love the progress, the upgrade. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.